Alright, kindergarten, you are going to get your blue sight word packet out and you're going to open a page that says A on it. It has an A as our sight word, and this should be pretty easy peasy as we have been using the letter word A in our writing for a very long time. So first you're going to want to put your name at the top, and then like the rest of all the times we've done it, you're going to look at these 3 stars, and the 3 stars mean you're going to read it 3 times. You're going to read the sentence, I see a flower. And they even give you a picture of a flower to help you read that word because it can be a little tricky. It has some blending sounds together. And now you'll be able to recognize when you see F-L-O-W-E-R that says flower. So I read it once. You're going to color in one of these stars because you already read it once. So color in a star, read it once, color it in. I'm going to read it again. I see a flower. And then I'm going to color it in again. Then I'm going to read it one more time and then color in the star again. All right, moving on. Write it. They give us one block here because it is just one letter. So I'm going to write A. Circle and a stick. Circle and a stick. They give me 1, 2, 3, 4 separate dotted line spaces. So that means they want me to write it 4 times. So I'm going to go below the dotted line, make a circle, and put a stick on it. Go below, make a circle, and put a stick on it. Make a circle. Notice how I stay below the dotted line and touch the bottom. Oh, I don't like the way that one looks with the stick, so I'm going to try again. Make a stick, circle, make a stick. All right, find it. That means they want me to find all the A's, or A. So I'm going to highlight mine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that is all. Let me look again. Yep, that's all the A's. Build it. I am not going to write the letter in this little dotted box. I am going to cut out the bottom, like always. Cut, 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 cut across, cut this strip off, and then I'm going to cut out the A. So once I have the strip off, I'm going to cut out the A, and then I'm going to glue it here. Good. Draw it. That means they want me to draw a picture of that sentence. I see a flower. So maybe I draw myself seeing a flower, or maybe even holding a flower. How about that? Yours can be more detailed and a whole lot better than mine. All right, I can't wait to see it. After you finish this one, go to Seesaw and post it under sight word A and put a picture of this page finished. Then go to the next page because we're doing 2 today. So you're going to do A and you're going to do the page that has 2 on it, T-O.